Start the conveyor. We need to clear this batch before the next trucks arrive.
Starting the sequence now. Quota is updated.
Ramp is clear. Bring the next truck forward to the unloading zone.
All right, bring those blue chairs right over here to Bay 3. Watch your clearance on the left.
Size check is good.
Production rate is excellent.
Liam ensures the detergent levels are correct to remove old stickers, while Ava monitors the filtration system to keep the water clean.
Uniformity looks good, Liam.
Blade rhythm is steady. Quality confirmed.
How are the temperatures looking on this batch?
Within range. The adjustment to the fan helped stabilize the cooling.
Okay, Liam, that's 25. Batch order complete.
How's the color consistency holding up, Ava?
It's perfectly consistent with the swatch, Liam.
Surface finish looks good. No marbling detected.
Structural integrity seems fine. No fractures on the frame itself.
The high speed confirms that. Minimal stress localized right here on the upholstery.
The sensor data confirms the stabilizer is performing perfectly. Yes.
That aligns with the sample evaluation. Looks good. Here's the manifest, everything accounted for.
Confirmed. That pallet is ready to go.
Sediment filters are clear. No microplastics detected.
And the pH levels confirm the water is fully recycled. The loop is sustainable.
Morning, thanks. Looks like we're all set for the green plastic.
Wear is within tolerance on this blade set. Let's get the torque wrench.
I have it right here. Do you need the 7mm bolts next?
We should use the impact wrench for those bolts.
Yep.
This process allows us to sustainably break down the materials at a molecular level. Yeah.
Which means this waste is
Perfect. Job well done, Ava.
It really is. Look how much the community loves them.
The destination silo is ready for the batch.
Good. The flow looks steady.
Pressure is at the limit. It's time to swap.
Acknowledged. Engaging screen change now. The pellets are starting to clump up near the intake. Are we getting enough flow?
Adjusting the valve now. Check the consistency. Cycle 112, cycle 113, cycle 114. This pad is definitely aggressive enough to meet the standard.
Agreed. Wear patterns are consistent. I'm logging the data now.
Calibration complete. Initiating final stack sequence.
Sequence successful. The 10th chair is perfectly aligned.
The data confirms we're utilizing 80% green energy now.
It's incredible. The plant's power really is as recycled as the products we're making.
Look, it's recycled.
It really works.
The loop is closed.
The carbon savings for the day are already exceeding projections.
Excellent. It looks like we've successfully closed the loop on this shipment.
The reclamation tank pressure is normalized.
Good. Water purity is optimal.
Looks like we maximized the harvest today. Storage levels are optimal.
Confirmed. Finalizing the utilization report now.
Verify the batch number on the chair.
Batch H12 confirmed. The pellets are sealed and ready for storage.
We hit all the production targets today, but everything ran smoothly on the day shift.
Good to hear. Here are the master keys and the radio for tonight.
Seriously, Ava, the potential here is massive. We take this ocean plastic and turn it into desks. It's a game changer.
It really is. Think of the impact that could have.